Hey guys, back with another video. Excuse my appearance. This is my day off. So I'm just sitting on my couch, relaxing. I'm getting ready to lay on the couch and probably watch something on YouTube. But anyway, I was just sitting here thinking, and then I went back into one of my videos where one of the family members had put out I don't want to say a question, but maybe some advice, I would say, and on what I should do with my channel. And then I don't know why I happened to find this video with his comment, and I remember seeing this comment months ago. This was 8 months ago when this comment was made, I believe 8 months ago. And I just so happened to see it again, and it resonated with me with the video that I put out yesterday. And I was talking about my channel, growing slowly. And then I just happened to go back in my analytics, and then I saw this young man's comment. And what he said was true, because this is one thing that I have been thinking about. What do I need to do to help make my channel grow? And so one of the things he was saying is to talk about why you started with Poplin. I started with Poplin, which was called Share at the time, in April of 2019. So I've been doing, Poplin for a good amount of years. Poplin is a laundry service where people, put out a request for someone to pick up their laundry, and you go pick it up, and then you have until 8 p.m. the next day to drop the laundry back off. And then sometimes they also have where you can do the same day delivery, which is more money. But a lot of times I don't get those, but that's because with my time, with me working my regular job, so I can't always do those because I don't have enough time. And then I also prefer to be able to not feel rushed. So, but how I came with working with Poplin, like I said, it was called Share when I first started in 2019. An old co-worker, I used to do work for a company from home, and it was a work from home company. And one year we all had to go to California for this big event. And what with me being there, I met some of the co-workers that you don't see, but you talk through online. And so I met her, and we became good friends. We hung out while we was in California. And so when I came back home, we would communicate. She was from a little small town in North Carolina. So, and she also was a caregiver who was working this at-home job too. And so after the job had ended, she knew that I was the type, I like all types of job, any kind of job where I feel like, excuse me, let me get some water. When I feel like I'm an entrepreneur, where I can make my own time, make my own hours, make as much money that I desire. So she called me one day, and she said, "Carolyn, I found a job that I think you would like, doing people laundries." I'm like, "Oh, sure," because I'm always game for making extra money as long as it's legal. And she said she couldn't do it because she lives, like I said, in this little town in North Carolina, so they didn't have it. So as soon as she told me about it, I got right on the computer and go ahead and did what I had to do. They did the background check and did what they had to do, and it was real quick. So that's why I started Share. And I also wanted something else that I can do at home, since I just told you that that work from home job had ended. So which was great. So I can still be at home and make great money. And so I started that, and I loved it. And sometimes, you start off slow. They only allow you to do one customer at a time. And since I've been doing it for a couple of years now, what, about 5 years? About 5 years now, I can get as many customers as I desire. But the most I have done so far that I feel comfortable with is 5 customers at a time. Because sometimes the customers may have 3, 4, or even 5 bags. So 5 customers at a time is good with me. And you make great money, great tips. Like today, early this morning, I dropped off a young lady who was a brand new customer, and she gave me a $18 tip, so which was great. So if you guys are interested in doing Poplin, you're looking for a job, something that you can do from home, make great money, it's awesome. And I know a lot of people put their nose up. Oh, you're doing people like, no, it's just like me being a caregiver. Some things, and like I said, you're in a healthcare field, you're going to deal with some things that you don't want to get your hands messed up. So that's why we use gloves. So to get started, you will have to have what I'm trying to say, a weight, something you can weigh yourself and weigh the bags. And then you're going to have, you can use 3 different types of detergent, which is Tide, Kirkland, and Persil, Persil. And you also want to get the regular detergent and hyperallergenic detergent, because some people ask for that. Then you're going to have to get your clear bags. That's what you're going to get. And so what I do to boost up your tips and your pay, I buy ribbons to tie on the bags to make it a little pretty. I also put a gift in every single bag, no matter how many times the customer has requested me. I picked up the order. They get a little something in the bag. You don't have to do what I do. Pick your own niche and do what you have to do. Some people write notes. I've done that too. So this is why I like Poplin, and I decided to come along and to be, back then we called a sudshare, and a sudsher. That's what they used to call it, a sudsher. So now, and I just like doing it. I just like doing it, like doing people laundry just to make extra money. Like I say, I can do it in my home. But if you want to go become a Poplin, become a member of Poplin, all you have to do to go to their website. They'll tell you exactly what to do, and I welcome you to the team. And it's good. It's good pay. As long as you do your part. You have to do your part. You can't just, because I remember a couple of years ago, I told a young man about, because he was looking for something to make extra money. But he was sending people laundry bag, clothes inside out. You can't do that. When you see somebody's pants or shirt, you have to put them on the right side. So, of course, people didn't, when I went to do some of the same customers, they were complaining. So you have to do it very, very well. Do your job well, and you will succeed. But anyway, if you guys are interested, I'm going to put the name up here somewhere, and I welcome you to the team. You guys be blessed. See you in the next video.